Now let's try to solve this problem. Team X scores a total n runs over 20 hours. So we have team X, their runs, they scored n runs and their over is 20. In 20 hours they scored n runs. Team Y, so that is X, then we have team Y. Team Y also will have runs and over. Team Y tied the score. Tied the score means they also got the score which is similar to X. In 10% less over. 10% less over. Team X had 20 overs. 10% of 20 will be 10% of 20 will be 2. So out of the 20 overs, if we minus 10% less means you have to subtract that. That means 18. So if just in 18 overs, team Y scored n runs. Okay, had Y's average run rate. What is average run rate? Runs per over. Runs per over. If it has been 50% higher, the scores would have been tied in 12 overs. How many runs were scored? Okay, let's translate this into equation. Y's average run. Right now, Y's average run rate. Right now, Y's average run rate is run by over is equal to n by 80. This is Y's current average run rate. Now they are saying that if it has been 50% higher, so in percentages we know the new value is equal to original value into 1 plus percentage change by 100. So the new run rate, even if the new run rate, let's not call it n, new. If the new run rate was n by 18 is the original run rate, greater than that by 50%. Okay. So let's find the new run rate. That's gonna be n by 80 into this is gonna be 1 by 2. Cross multiplication will give you 2 plus 1 by 2, that is n by 18 into 3 by 2. If we divide 3 in the numerator and denominator, this will become 1. This will become 6. Eventually new run rate will be n by 12. So they are saying that if the new run rate was 50% higher, that means if the new run rate was n by 12, the scores would have been tied in 12 overs. Scores would have been tied in 12 overs. How many runs were scored by the team? See, if the new run rates, now they are saying that again they would have got the same runs, n runs within 12 overs if the new run rate has been 50% higher. But we already found that even here, if you take the run rate, that is a new run rate, it is going to be runs by number of over n by 12. That's the same value which we found here. This is the original value, but nowhere they mentions anything about n. In fact, if you try to put them into an equation, that basically means here I found the new run rate. Run rate simply means runs by over. We found the new run rate to be n by 12 and we have to find the runs. Okay, we have to find the runs, which is simply n. That's a runs, right? And the question given it is 12. So it's everything it cancelled out. The problem with this thing is that we still don't know what n is. The n get cancelled out, you will simply get 1 equal to 1. So the information which they give is not enough to come to a conclusion. So the answer cannot be determined. There is no possible way to find the runs. N can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. It can be absolutely any value. We cannot find it. So that's answer. Thank you guys.